How to delete StockX account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial to delete your StockX account. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open and log in to your StockX account. Go to your profile, scroll down and tap on Help. In the search bar, search for Delete Account. Tap on this article, How do I delete or deactivate my account? If you want to delete just your billing information, tap here. Or if you want to delete your account entirely, tap on the Trust Center. Now scroll down and tap on Submit Request. Again, scroll down and under the I am submitting a request for, select Myself and tap on Delete. Now you have to submit a deletion request. It will result in the deletion of your personal data to which the right of erasure applies. The deletion process is irrevocable. That means once your account gets deleted, you might not recover it. It will be deleted forever. Scroll down and fill in all the details. If you are a Canadian or European resident, select Yes, or if you are not, select Not. Tap on I'm not a robot and tap on Submit. Now here it says, in support of various data privacy regulations, you are required to verify your information before moving forward with the request. We have sent an email to the email address provided to which you must respond within 30 minutes in order to continue your request. So now open your email and also open the StockX email. Tap on Verify Email. It will take you to a website. Wait for a few seconds to load. Once the website is loaded, tap on Begin Verification. Enter your full name here. It should be similar to what you have put in your StockX account. Then scroll down, sign here, or you can enter your initials here. Then tap on Submit. Wait for a few seconds and your request for account deletion will be sent. So this is how you can delete your StockX account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.